Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube password. Just you need to go to YouTube and then click here on your channel icon and then click manage your Google account. That it will take you to Google and then you click here personal info. Okay, here is the password. I want to change it. Then I click here. Okay, I need to verify it's me. Click next. Okay, then I can type the new password and confirm the new password and click change password. I don't want to change the password right now. This is what you need to do. I hope this video is helpful. If the video is useful, please click like and subscribe in the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, just leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.